Hello to all, good morning and good evening. Today Mavic Mini will see that whether it can sustain itself at quite a much height beyond 250 meters or beyond 200 meters in strong wind conditions, and can it attain a maximum, and we are talking here about 1000 meter plus distance or maybe more. Mavic Mini is currently flying over some farms and field in India. Well, as the video is being shot from a farm in an open area, so yes, that was the sound of a horse. So beautiful horse is just tied some feet away from Mavic Mini's home point, making these lovely sounds, enjoying the weather. And as India is a tropical country and in most of the states it is quite humid, the temperature is above 40 degrees, and such a high temperature is way beyond the recommended temperature operating range as recommended by DJI to fly Mavic Mini. But let's see how this small wonder of DJI performs in such humid and high temperature conditions, going beyond 100 meter, or we can say 200 meter. So let's see. So as you can see on the left bottom corner, there is the small screen which is from the map update of DJI Fly app, which we call actually the flight data plan of the current flight which Mavic Mini is doing at the moment. And it has already attained 100 meter of height at a 40 meter distance from its updated home point. So it's just changed from the cinematic mode to sports mode so that the height can be attained at a much faster rate, and as it is going beyond 140 meters in height, 170 meter of height attained, and we are going in sport mode. And now it has reached beyond 200 meter, 220 meter, going up and away. Will it reach 250? Yes, we have reached 250 meters. And now it has attained a height of 256, and here comes the strong wind warning. So let's see, is it able to sustain at such a height in humid conditions at 256 meters in strong wind? Well, so far so good, it all seems right. No issues, no problems. It is capable of sustaining that much height without any hindrance. Bottom right corner is the remote control window which is being recorded by the connected smartphone, and it is recording the same view which the drone camera is recording. And don't forget here that the temperature of the weather at the moment in India at this particular place is plus 40 degrees. To be exact, it is a range between 44 to 46 degrees. So now in sports mode, the Mavic Mini has started journey to achieve 1000 meter distance at 250 meters height in strong wind conditions. So here it has already crossed 200 meters, and what a lovely view of these green fields. Most of them are green. The corn season is ongoing, so most of the fields are corn. And here you can see also some empty fields which are ready to be sown with some other crops, especially paddy. So much of height, 250 meters, which is roughly around 750 feet. These large fields look like tiny squares, marbles, so nicely and cleanly cut, whether they are rectangular in shape, trapezoidal, or some other, or maybe in square shape. And here Mini is crossing some sown fields which are plowed by tractors. The fields are empty and waiting to be sown with the upcoming seeds or crops. So again we get a strong wind warning, but Mavic Mini is still maintaining its height of 250 meters and it has reached beyond a distance of 680 meters. Still going good, all good, no shakiness, but strong wind warning all up the way. Since it has attained at the home point the 250 meter height, the strong wind warning is coming continuously. And here it has just crossed a large water tank, an overhead water tank which you have just seen on your right hand side, but it looked so small from here. Now it has just crossed another road which goes to the nearby village. And here it comes close, very high on these lovely farms and trees, all up green from here. Looks very green and very eye soothing, very calm views which this small wonder is capturing. Can Mini cross 1000 meter distance? Yes, absolutely, it has crossed 1000 meter or 1 kilometer checkpoint. Well, I must say that so far the Mini has gone beyond 1000 meter. These all are corn fields which are still green, means the corns are not yet ripen up. And now it has again crossed 1.2 kilometer or 1200 meter distance checkpoint. So let's see if it can. Yes, it has reached and crossed 1300 meters point also, still attaining 250 meter of height. And now it has reached at a point of 1.4 kilometers distance from its home point. And will it go 1.5? No, sorry, the signal is lost, and now it will return to its home point. See, it has already started. So will it reach the home point in the same windy conditions, and how accurately it will reach back to its home point from where it flew out? That will be shown, my friends, in the upcoming video. So better you stay tuned, and all the best. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.